Chief Justice Louise Benman and the Senior Courts of Belize held a special sitting to celebrate the elevation of 4 distinguished attorneys to the status of Senior Counsel. Congratulations to Melissa Balderramos Mahler, Ashanti Arthurs Martin, Priscilla Jennifer Banner, and Attorney General Anthony Sylvester on this well-deserved honor.
This multifaceted position demands not only your continued profound understanding of the law, but exceptional leadership, analytical skill, and communication to safeguard your client's interests, which you're called upon to defend, while upholding the Constitution and serving as a steadfast guardian of justice. You are expected to continue to lead the profession with integrity, intellectual rigor, compassion, kindness, dedication, and humility.
Senior Counsels Edwin Flowers and Iman Courtney were on hand to speak on behalf of the newly elevated attorneys. Flowers praised the dedication and hard work of Melissa Balderramos Mahler and Anthony Sylvester, while Courtney highlighted the achievements of Priscilla Banner and Ashanti Martin.
They must understand that there is a new beginning between their relationship between themselves and the bench. They will be looked at, they will be spoken to, and the expectations from the bench will be different. It is a new beginning with other colleagues at the bar. Their elevation is a signal that they have distinguished themselves and they will be expected to behave as senior counsel. And indeed, as you alluded to, the public will expect them to behave as senior counsel. You will no longer wear what were referred to by the English as stuffed robes, with that little pocket on the left at the back. That pocket was used by junior counsel so that they could be paid as they walked along the street and by their clients. The money was put in there, and these 2 strings were used to hold so that your robe did not fall off. You will now wear silk.
Each of the 4 newly elevated attorneys had the chance to address the bench and express their heartfelt gratitude. Attorney General, now Senior Counsel Anthony Sylvester, became emotional as he shared that he lost his mother exactly 10 years ago on this very day.
And this moment, where I've coming of age in the 1990s, when gang warfare emerged and started to engulf our communities in the south side of Belize, there is no doubt that I would not have been here and that this could not have been possible with the many intercessions of the Heavenly Father. As you would have witnessed, it was an emotional time for me, a very emotional moment, as I had related. The 27th today actually marks the 10th year of the passing of my mother, and as I had related as well, so happened that at the time when I got the news, I was actually in the precincts of the court downstairs. I mean, who could have imagined 10 years later I would be in this place, at the same time, literally, being elevated to senior counsel status.
Does this mean that your fees as a public official increase in a similar fashion as somebody who would get a bachelor's or a master's degree as a public official?
No. So the fee remains the same. And it's so one of the things is that as Attorney General is serving the public, and it is to be accepted that service to the public differs and if you're working in private practice.
We also heard from newly minted Senior Counsel Priscilla Banner. She expressed her heartfelt gratitude and pointed out that it had been 8 years since the last elevation ceremony. Banner acknowledged that there are many other deserving attorneys who should also be elevated to Senior Counsel.
An attorney has a lot of responsibility to their clients. They have a responsibility to the court to ensure that the court can trust the way you present yourself and the cases that you argue. They have a responsibility to their clients to ensure that they treat their clients reasonably. But integrity in the profession is foundational. And I can tell you, I can count at least 5 to 10 attorneys right now who have not been elevated, that it is time for them to be elevated. It has been a long time, and I trust that going forward, these elevations will occur more frequently so that those persons who should be elevated are recognized by the courts.
Reporting for News 5, I am Paul Lopez.